The universe often communicates with us through subtle yet profound signs, guiding us toward our desires and dreams. Recognizing these signs can provide reassurance that you're on the right path and that things are falling into place, even if you can't see the full picture yet. Let's explore 3 unmistakable signs that the universe is actively helping you align with your goals. Synchronicities are meaningful coincidences that seem far from random. These moments occur when unrelated events align in a way that feels purposeful, as if the universe is speaking directly to you. For example, you may repeatedly encounter the same number patterns, like 1111 or 444, or hear the same phrase in different conversations within a short time frame. These synchronicities are often confirmations that you're on the right track. For instance, seeing a symbol or hearing a word connected to your goal is the universe's way of encouraging you to stay focused. They might even come through unexpected encounters with people who share valuable insights or resources you need at the moment. Many dismiss these moments as coincidences, but they hold deeper meaning. When you notice synchronicities, it's a reminder to pay attention and trust the flow of events. The universe is always working behind the scenes, and these moments show that everything is coming together in divine timing. To amplify the effect of synchronicities, practice mindfulness and gratitude. Acknowledge them openly and reflect on what they might signify in your life. Journaling these experiences can help you spot patterns and better understand the messages being sent to you. Synchronicities are the universe's way of reminding you that you're not alone in your journey. These signs reassure you that your intentions are aligning with the larger cosmic plan. Instead of questioning them, trust the process and let these signals guide your next steps. One of the clearest signs the universe is supporting you is the arrival of unexpected opportunities. These opportunities might show up in the form of new connections, job offers, or even small blessings like finding extra money or receiving unexpected help when you need it most. Often, these opportunities appear at just the right time, even when things seem uncertain. They may feel like lucky breaks, but they're the universe's way of ensuring that you have what you need to progress. For instance, you might meet someone who offers advice that sparks a breakthrough idea or discover a solution to a problem when you least expect it. What's important is recognizing these moments for what they are. It's easy to overlook small opportunities or dismiss them as insignificant, but they could be stepping stones towards something greater. These moments are proof that the universe is orchestrating circumstances in your favor. To make the most of these opportunities, remain open and adaptable. Sometimes they may not look like what you imagined. For instance, an offer might not align perfectly with your initial plan, but it could lead you to an even better outcome. Trust that the universe knows what's best for your growth and fulfillment. Another key aspect is gratitude. When you appreciate and act on these blessings, you signal to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Gratitude creates a positive feedback loop, inviting more opportunities into your life. These moments, no matter how small or significant, are reminders that the universe is always working behind the scenes to support your dreams. Trust the process and take inspired action when these opportunities arise. When the universe is guiding you, your intuition often becomes sharper. This inner voice or gut feeling serves as a compass, directing you toward the right choices and away from potential pitfalls. You might find yourself making decisions with confidence, even without having all the logical reasons. For instance, you may feel an unexplained pull to take a specific route, only to discover something important along the way. This heightened intuition is a clear sign that you're in tune with the universe's guidance. Listening to your intuition requires trust, especially when it goes against conventional logic. These instincts are often subtle and easy to ignore, but they carry profound wisdom. They are your subconscious mind's way of processing information beyond what your conscious mind can grasp. To strengthen this connection, spend time in quiet reflection. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help you tune into your inner voice more clearly. By silencing external noise, you create space to hear what your intuition is telling you. It's also important to act on these feelings. The more you trust and follow your intuition, the stronger it becomes. Each time you listen to it, you're building a partnership with the universe, allowing it to guide you more effectively. Heightened intuition is the universe's way of providing a direct line of communication. Trust it, nurture it, and let it lead you toward the outcomes you desire most. Another way the universe reveals its support is through a profound sense of calm, even during turbulent times. This tranquility isn't about ignoring challenges, but feeling a quiet confidence that everything will work out. This calmness often comes as an inner knowing that your efforts and intentions are being supported. For instance, you may face unexpected delays or obstacles, but feel surprisingly at peace, trusting that these setbacks are leading to something better. This sense of calm is the universe's way of assuring you that you're being protected and guided. Such moments are opportunities to practice patience and resilience. While external circumstances might test you, this inner serenity serves as a reminder to trust the timing of events. The universe may be aligning things in ways you can't yet see, requiring you to stay grounded and open to possibilities. When you notice this calmness, lean into it. Use this time to reflect, recharge, and reaffirm your intentions. This inner peace is a sign that the universe is creating a space for you to receive what you've asked for. Accept the stillness and trust that it's part of the process. The universe often communicates with us through our dreams, offering insights, guidance, or reassurance. These dreams might be vivid, recurring, or carry symbolic meanings that resonate deeply with you. For example, you might dream of accomplishing a goal, meeting someone important, or overcoming a fear. These visions can serve as encouragement, showing you glimpses of what's possible, or revealing solutions to challenges. Pay attention to recurring symbols or themes, as they often carry specific messages from the universe. Well, dreams can also provide clarity about decisions or paths you're considering. If you're unsure about something, your subconscious mind might process the information and present it in a way that feels like an answer or confirmation. To tap into the wisdom of your dreams, consider keeping a dream journal. Writing down your dreams upon waking can help you identify patterns and uncover the messages they hold. Reflecting on these entries over time can deepen your understanding of what the universe is trying to tell you. Dreams are a bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind, a channel through which the universe can communicate. Treat them as valuable tools for guidance and insight. Sometimes the universe works through others to provide the help you need. You might receive support, advice, or encouragement from someone you didn't expect, or even a stranger. For instance, a passing conversation might provide the exact words of wisdom you were seeking. Or someone might step in to offer assistance just when you felt stuck. These moments aren't random. They're orchestrated by the universe to guide and uplift you. It's important to remain open and receptive to help, even if it doesn't come from the sources you anticipated. Often, pride or skepticism can make us dismiss these blessings. Recognizing them for what they are allows you to accept the universe's generosity fully. This kind of support is a reminder that you're never truly alone. The universe often uses the people around you as vessels to deliver what you need. Trust the connections you make and be grateful for the unexpected kindness that comes your way. Gratitude is not only a practice, but also a sign that the universe is helping you. When you start feeling grateful for even the smallest things, it's a signal that you're in alignment with the flow of abundance. This gratitude often arises naturally without forcing it. You might find yourself appreciating things you once overlooked, like the beauty of nature, the kindness of others, or the opportunities you've received. This shift in perspective is the universe's way of helping you focus on the positive and attract even more blessings. When you express gratitude, you're telling the universe that you're ready for more. Gratitude opens the door to abundance by reinforcing the belief that there's always enough to go around. This mindset creates a positive feedback loop, inviting even greater experiences into your life. Cultivating gratitude can be as simple as taking a moment each day to acknowledge what you're thankful for. Whether it's through journaling, prayer, or silent reflection, these practices strengthen your connection with the universe and enhance your ability to recognize its support. The universe has its unique ways of showing that it's on your side. Whether through synchronicities, unexpected opportunities, or a sharper sense of intuition, these signs remind you that everything is unfolding perfectly for your highest good. When you recognize and trust these signals, you align more deeply with the flow of the universe. Stay open, take inspired action, and remain patient as your journey unfolds. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more guidance on connecting with the universe. Your support helps us share these messages with others who need them. Trust the process. Everything is working out for you.